Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the right tools and positioning yourself behind the toilet. This saves time and prevents scratches. Once done, flush to lower the tank and wipe excess water with a cloth so parts stay dry. Identify whether your seat uses plastic caps, bolts, or quick-release hinges. That determines whether you pry caps or access nuts. If bolts look corroded, apply penetrating oil and let it sit for a few minutes, so loosening is easier and less likely to break fittings. Now focus on the middle steps. Open any hinge caps and hold the bolt head with pliers while you turn the nut counterclockwise with a wrench because stabilizing prevents stripping. If the bolt spins, insert a screwdriver into the top of the bolt to keep it from turning while you back off the nut. Once both fasteners are removed, lift the seat and hinges straight up. Twist slightly if stuck. To free them from the bowl, this avoids grinding against porcelain and damaging the Finish by cleaning the mounting area and threads so the new seat sits flush. Use a brush and mild cleaner to remove grime and old thread residue because a clean fit prevents wobble. Install new bolts and test alignment before final tightening, then snug them firmly but avoid over-tightening which can crack porcelain. If a bolt breaks or is seized, use vice grips or a small extractor. If mounting holes are damaged, fill and reseal or consult.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.